Welcome. You are in Kunda from China and Hicam from Algeria office, CNC cutting solution providers. To bring you cutting-edge technology and precision engineering. Together, we deliver smarter, faster, and more reliable cutting solutions. We specialize in waterjet cutting, laser cutting, advanced CNC machines, ODM and more, all on our website. From installation to training, spare parts, and after sales, we've got you covered with strong technological partnerships. Need specific solutions for your business in Algeria, China, or worldwide? Contact and follow for more.